you must have some time with your master or with your senior officers before we join the ship. Before we join the ship. Bakit? Kailangan magkaalaman kayo. Ano ba ang gusto mo sa kanya? Ano ang gusto niya sa iyo? Paano mo siya matutulungan? Paano ka rin niya bibigyan ng mga reports na makakatulong sa inyong dalawa?
For us, it's very important to really plan ahead. Now, make sure that what you plan is what will happen. Most of the time, we always do our job daily. What is just coming in, what is coming in, what is coming out. That is not the way how to manage. And the management is you always forecast. You always think what will happen tomorrow, the next day, next week.